Hello guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Well, sobrang na-miss ko po kayong lahat. At sa lahat po ng mga nag-request po sa akin, nandito na po ako, muling bumabalik po. Pagkatapos ng mahabang araw na hindi po ako nakapagbigay ng requested song nyo dahil nga sa nangyari sa akin. Anyways, bago ko po simulan ng kanta na na-request po sa akin, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga nagdasal sa akin na sa bilisan ko paggaling. Hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin, alam niyo na kung sino po kayo. Sobrang salamat po dahil sa dasal niyo na gumaling po ako. Medyo may kirot pang nararamdaman pero okay na rin yun, malalampasan ko rin to. At sa lahat po ng mga nag-request na hindi ko po nabigyan, huwag na po kayong magtampo dahil nandito na po ako ngayon. Intindihin niyo na lang po ang pagkawala ko ng saglit-saglitan ng ilang weeks dahil sa nangyari. At sa tatlong gumawa sa akin ng karahasan na gano'n, si Lord na lang po yung bahala sa inyo. Konsensya din kayo, walang araw. Anyway, maraming salamat po ulit dahil bumabalik na po ako ngayon um, para ibigay ko po ang mga requested songs nyo. So, ito na po. Uunahin ko na po yung na-request po sa akin ni... Ay! Ito po. The Just Fate, ayan po yung Through the Years. Na-request niya po ito sa akin. Siya po ang pinakauna nag-request. So, siya po ang una kong pagbibigyan mo ngayon. So, hope you like this, Just Fate. Sana po yung magustuhan nyo. Thank you. I can remember when you were there, when I did care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted you and listening to before. I swear you could be everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss me tears away. As long as it's okay, I stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything's been wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never head down. We've always worked things out. I learned that life's about by loving you through the years. Maraming salamat po, Just Faith. Thank you. stay with you through the years. Thank you very much po.